Introducing Chempol 61458 Gasoline Engine Oil Package. Engineered to exceed industry standards, this cutting-edge formulation is your solution for optimal engine performance and longevity. Crafted to meet the rigorous requirements of API-SB, SN+, and ILSAC GF6 specifications, Chempol 61458 is the epitome of excellence. When blended with precise combination of conventional viscosity modifiers, high-quality PPD, and mostly available Group 2 and Group 3 base oils, it is able to cover multiple viscosity grades gasoline products at minimal treat rate. But what sets Chempol 61458 apart? Engineered for excellence, our rigorous engine tests reveal unparalleled results. At a treat rate of 8.15%, experience superior antioxidation, detergency, and dispersancy performance, effectively controlling oil aging, deposit formation, and wear. Count on Chempol 61458 for exceptional anti-wear performance, safeguarding engine stability and efficiency, mile after mile, and with a low phosphorus, low ash formula. Our commitment extends beyond performance to environmental responsibility, protecting after-treatment systems while being environmentally friendly. From multiple base oils to multi-viscosity formulations, Chempol 61458 Gasoline Engine Oil Package is the pinnacle of innovation for your engine's needs. Chempol, powering progress with innovative chemical solutions.